Struggling to manage multiple accounts from one single device without getting banned? ClonBrowser and IPRoyal, it's easy. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to combine these powerful tools so that you can stay efficient and safe. And I'll share a key tip to ensure secure proxy setup. Now, before we dive into the ClonBrowser proxy setup, don't forget to hit that like button to help us bring more proxy integration guides just like this. Now, did you know ClonBrowser lets you create thousands of accounts to make your online tasks virtually untraceable? This popular anti-detect browser makes multiple account management a breeze. Some useful ClonBrowser features include parallel execution, which lets you run tasks and create accounts simultaneously to scale quickly and efficiently. Customizable profiles, which help you stay under the radar by using over 30 fingerprint options and millions of environments. Versatile automation, which helps you save time by letting you use online automation tools for tasks like clicking, scrolling, and scraping, with 300 plus templates for popular websites. Easy proxy server configuration, which lets you import and test proxies individually or in bulk quickly through a user-friendly interface, and much more. Now, let's get started with the ClonBrowser proxy setup. Just follow these steps and you'll have it up and running in no time. Now, I'm assuming you already have ClonBrowser on your device, but if not, you can easily download the version you need from its official website. First, let's open ClonBrowser together. So follow me on screen and click the new browser button here. Second, now select the proxy tab. Third, next, select the custom option under mode. Fourth, let's switch to your IPRoyal dashboard to get your proxy details. We'll use high-end IPRoyal residential proxies from Virginia, United States with HTTP and HTTPS support and sticky sessions lasting for 6 hours. 5. Go to ClonBrowser. Select the protocol that matches your proxy configuration and copy your proxy hostname, port, username, and password into the appropriate fields. Then click the Connect Test button. 6. As soon as the test is complete, you'll see the results. Your proxy's IP address, location, and time zone. Finally, click the Create Browser button to finish configuring your browser profile. 7. Your new browser profile should show up in the browser section. Want to launch it? Just click the Launch button on the right. 8. Once your browser is up and running, you'll get a quick overview of your proxy server and browser fingerprint with some useful links. 9. To make sure your profile is authentic and get more information about it, visit IPHey or a similar website for testing browser fingerprinting. 10. When you want to stop using ClonBrowser profile, just click the Terminate button on the right. Now, remember the key tip I promised? To avoid interruptions, CAPTCHAs, and bans, always use ethically sourced residential proxies from a large global pool. These digital privacy tools are the best way to ensure that you stay efficient and safe when using ClonBrowser or any anti-detect browser. IPRoyal's proxy network of over 32 million ethically sourced IPs in over 195 locations, non-expiring traffic, precise geo-targeting options, and HTTP, HTTPS, and SOC 5 support provides all the residential proxy benefits you need for a seamless ClonBrowser experience. Ready to control multiple accounts without getting detected or banned? Head to IPRoyal.com now and get the best proxies for multi-account management.